He's going to the window. Get ready.
He's going? Okay. What do you see?
Give him a go for it.
Let me know when I can.
I got his cover over his head. That spool is clear. Taz, that spool is clear.
Oh.
On Sunday, August 27th, Special Oops drove to Fightertown Paintball Park in El Mirage, Arizona to take part in ODAZ's MFOG 12. For this game, Blue Team's objective was to find and demolish a target determined to be a helicopter on the town field. Once armed, the bomb would take 30 seconds to detonate. If Red Team was able to disarm the bomb within those 30 seconds, Blue Team would need to rearm it and the 30-second countdown would start over. Red Team spawned on the south side of the field, while Blue Team began at the northern field entrance. At the start of the game, Special Oops covered the western portion of the field, while the rest of Blue Team pushed up towards the center of the field in search of the demolition site.
Now that we know it's basically deathmatch, so they have first strike, so they can't hit us from across the field.
Well, we don't want to get stuck over here, so we're going to want to get over there.
We want to get that way.
There's the flag. Chopper.
There's one behind Twinkie. There's a gray house behind Twinkie. To your left, on your left shoulder behind the Twinkie.
Getting sweat in my eyes already.
Damn it, Dominic. Center house, move! Welcome back. Reloading.
Where are you shooting at?
It's behind the house, right in front of you. There's some pallets he's behind.
How many do you think you see?
There's one behind the pallets. There's one at that gray house still.
There's one inside the RV.
And there's one inside the Twinkie right here. Dom, what did you say the flag was?
Chopper.
Which chopper?
Left one.
So center?
Center chopper.
Fuck. There's a guy in that gas station. Right behind the house. Alright, two coming on the side. Where's the bomb guy? Where's the bomb guy?
I don't know.
Come here. Give it a slide. Okay, bomb is at the center helicopter. What's that? Bomb is at the center. Okay, over here with it. I got two on the far right over here. He's hit. Dead man? Yep. So they're pushed up middle side. Oh shit. Hey, both of our guys on the left side are out.
All right. We're
Hey,
getting.
we have to take up defensive on right.
There's two over here. They're moving up on us.
Shit, hey, they're on that left side. Look. Yeah. Yeah, push back.
We gotta push back. Fall back.
Bang. Why am I moving back? Because they have left side. You okay?
I'm good.
Alright, we have people up on this right side, I think. Yeah? Yeah, there's two on the far right. Copy.
There's one running up. I'm gonna move behind you, bud. Quick. One moving up.
There's about 3 over here now.
You're hit, you're hit.
Right side. Right side, 3 guys. 3 guys.
I see you. Hey, you got one moving up right here behind this crate. Watch guy in the back of the helicopter's got first strike.
Is Corey still in this house?
Corey's still, I pushed him out.
Hey, well, I'm going to clear off the left of the field. Got it? Yeah. All right, you want to fall back or no? No, because they'll push. They're coming.
We're staying in or not? Oh, good recovery.
Good job on that. Let him out.
As always, Special Oops would like to extend our gratitude to ODAZ for all the hard work and time they put into producing the MFOGs, and a big thanks to Henry Ruiz, the owner of Fightertown, for allowing the use of his park for the game. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our content, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. We'll see you next time.